I know everyone's been wondering what's the aftermath of that state patrol officer that crashed going 90 miles an hour into a semi-truck because he wasn't paying attention and he was on his computer. You could plain and simple see it from that video. Now, they just issued it out right now, so I'm giving it to you hot off the press. He got a traffic citation. That's all I'm saying. It is what it is. But here's the good news, mother truckers. You know what? They didn't blame the truck driver. So it's good news bears that the truck driver did not get in trouble for a situation that he did not start. But with that said, if it was the other way, if it was the truck driver that might have went 90 miles into a state trooper, I don't think you're gonna get a traffic citation. But mother truckers, it is what it is. If you don't remember the video, here it is. Check it out. Comment down below.